to show you how to remove the background of the image when your subject has hair in it. Command J to duplicate layer, go to select, select and mask, click select subject, and then refine hair. It removed some white background things from here. I would also recommend adding some extra thing. So in output settings here, you pick this thing and then you can adjust the amount of decontaminate colors. What it does, it adds some extra colors on the edge so that the edge is not white or not like has no background color. You'll see the difference. So no, I think no, 100%, 0%, 100%. I usually choose 30%, 35, something like this. I'm quite happy with the results, so I click OK. And now you can check how your subject looks on another background. Pretty solid work. See you later in next videos.